it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, I have got for you a B&M haul. Yes, today guys, I have got for you a B&M haul. I didn't get B&M bags because I reused some that I already have, but I have 3 bags full to go through. Okay, so the things I've got are kind of a varied mix, but there's various things. So I'm just going to go through the bags and show you what I got. There's some things in here that Chris picked up, but I might as well show you those too because we kind of both went together and picked some bits up. It's mostly stuff that I picked out, because, you know. I'll get Chris's out of the way first because boring stuff really. So I'm just going to check our receipt. And, okay, so he got 2 strong kitchen foils. These are like the long stuff. He does a lot of baking and things, so these come in useful. These were, I've just seen it, I've forgotten already, $1.49 each. And similar to that, he also got some baking paper, which was £1, 10 metres, I think. Oh, sorry, there's 10 metres in those also. So there were Chris's pickup. Okay, and then he also picked up some baking supplies for his baking. We have the bicarb of soda by Dr. Oetker and the baking powder also by him. These were £1.19 each. An essential baking cupboard thing. Also picked up by Chris, he wanted some peanut butter to go on his toast. So he got the Sunpat one, he got crunchy and he got smooth depending on which mood he's going to be in. So these should have been £2.29 if they were at their retail price, but they were actually, I've forgotten already, look, I'm rubbish, £1.49. So decent little saving. Ooh, they're in like, I thought they were in my glass, I slightly panicked then as I put them together. Ooh, the next thing that I picked up was actually from me. It is the KP choc chip dips in white chocolate. I used to love these as a kid and I just saw it and I thought, you know what, I'm going to treat myself, I'm going to pick that up. So this was 49p and it's delicious. Chris also picked up a chocolate bar. He got this one, which is Hershey's Gold Peanuts and Pretzels. That was 49p as well. Okay, so I think that's all the kind of food-esque related things, and everything else is kind of just in a mix in these bags. So I'm just going to show you them kind of as I grab them out of the bags, really. Oh, actually, I can see some things at the top that are all to do with Jake. First thing then that I got him was this snake. It's got the bottom kind of opens up and you can put treats in. He's had 3 of these before. One of them that I put treats in regularly, he's looking a little worse for wear, so I picked up another one. They come in blue, green and pink. He's got them all. So these are £2.99. They are super, super useful. When we go to leave him on his own, we tend to put some treats in here. You can put things like the doggy peanut butter, or we've actually put like coconut oil and things in there before for him, and he really likes that. The head squeaks. I was just going to say I won't do it now, but that squeaked really easily. Jake's actually in the other room. He shut himself in the bathroom, bless him, there's fireworks going off. But no, super duper recommend those, and they are really, really quite strong on things. Jake is a Staffy Lab cross and he can go to town on some toys, believe me, but all 3 of his have survived that he's had before. The only reason I'm picking up a new one is because it's looking a bit grotty and isn't washing so well. Next, another thing that we saw for Jake, well actually Chris pointed this one out, it's a Scooby-Doo toy. It's a treat and play, treat dispenser. It was £4. It looks quite sturdy. Quite like you probably wouldn't destroy it. In one end it's got like a little tennis ball encased in it, so, and then the other side has a little hole for you to put treats in, so they can try and get the treats out of there. So it's just again something to keep him occupied, and it, like I said, it's quite strong. It's Scooby-Doo too, so that's cool. Okay, and the last thing that I got for Jake, Chris wasn't impressed, but he said I could get it. I've got him a Christmas outfit. I know I've already got him a Christmas jumper, but I couldn't resist this. It's to make him look like a little reindeer. It's got like a hood that'll obviously well go over his head, and there's little antlers in it. I just thought they were really cute. And then it's got like jingly bells on there and it'll strap around him. I'll put a picture of this on my Instagram when I do eventually get around to it. Oh, and it's got a tail on the back. I didn't even notice that. I just thought it was super duper cute. It's in the XL size. The XL's in, I was going to say Primark. The XL's in B&M fit him really nicely, and they're really cheap. This was £6 for a doggy outfit. I mean, if you went to Pets at Home or somewhere like that, you know, it cost a fortune. But it's just super cute. I can't wait to put that on him at Christmas. Okay, next thing I'm pulling out, again, this is a Chris purchase. He prefers soap in the shower. I really don't understand it, but he likes that, so he's trying some Imperial leather ones this time. These aren't the ones he usually buys, I don't think. These are £1.79 for 6, so a bargain, I suppose. Next, I picked myself up some deodorant. I got the Sure Bright Bouquet ones. These were £1.49 each. Quite a bargain, I think, really. So deodorant's a necessity. Another thing I've just picked myself up was this Garnier Ultimate Blends Hair Food Banana and Shea Butter kind of hair mask. I love this. I've just been using one from the Body Shop, which I finished kind of just last week, and it cost like at least 3 times what this cost, and it was nowhere near as good. This is like my holy grail go-to hair mask at the minute. I love it, and it smells amazing. Amazing. So this was £3.49. I've actually just put one in the shower to use, so this is going to be my backup one because, like I say, I really love this stuff. Okay, next I picked up some things to go on a face mask Friday. I know I've got a face mask stash that's just ridiculous, to be honest, at this point. But I saw these and it was a bit like, are they going to be any good with them being so cheap and just like kind of unbranded? But I bought them because I thought they'd be fun, and hey, I'll let my face answer that for you. If they go funny, then, you know, I've done it for you. But basically, they're these kind of novelty ones. I love a good gimmicky kind of sheet mask. So they're both vegan, I think. Yeah. And this one makes you look like a orange with some sunglasses on. And this one makes you look like a Dalmatian with a face mask on, like a sleepy mask. And I just thought they were kind of cute, a little bit bonkers. And they were £1 each. So it only cost me £2 for the 2 of these. So if they're any good, I thought I'll try and review them soonish, because these would be a great thing for people to pick up for Christmas. £1 each. You know, if you know somebody who likes dogs or somebody who likes something a bit fun, then they're an excellent present for £1. So I'm going to try and review those as soon as I can. Next thing, I got myself a couple of these kind of like storage organizer things. I am going to try and make a good bit of progress with the beauty room that I plan on doing myself. And I plan on it being like pinky colours with whites and greens and rose golds and things. And I just thought these would be perfect. Everybody needs storage. So they're a lovely pale pink colour. They were £2.50 each. And I thought they can either be out on a top holding something, or they can go in a drawer and kind of keep things a little bit more organised. So I just thought they'd be super useful. And like I said, for £2.50 each, they're not going to break the bank either. Okay, so only a couple of things left now. One of the things I went in for was some antibacterial kind of spray. They didn't have the one I had been using, which was astonishing. I really liked that one. But I picked up a Dettol one. Can't go wrong with a bit of Dettol, I don't think. So it's just an antibacterial kind of spray. It is in a refreshing green apple scent. It was either this one or the citrus one, but I thought I'd pick up the apple one. Again, it's just multi-purpose thingy spray. You get in there 1 litre for £1.99. So I'm happy with that. That's going to be super duper useful. Okay, and the last thing that I picked up on the haul then was this little guy. It is the Oversink kitchen basket. Basically, it's for putting in like your sponges and things, and it'll go over the sink in between the main bit of the sink and that little sink that you get. Is there a name for that? I don't know, I'm hopeless. I did buy a basket once from B&M, which I put the sponges in and the washing up liquid, and it kind of sits just on the back of the sink, but I found that it's kind of getting, water's pooling and it's getting a little bit mouldy underneath it. So I thought the fact that this clips over the sink, it'll drain nicely and things. It's £3. So in there you can, like I say, you can put your brushes, you can put your sponges. I don't think it'll fit washing up liquid, but it'll fit, you know, your cloths and everything. So £3, it just keeps things looking a little bit tidier. Okie dokie guys, that is everything on this B&M haul. Let me know if you've enjoyed. I did kind of a bit of a mini B&M haul last month, and I think people enjoyed it, so I've tried to do another one this month. B&M stocks a lot of essentials and various things, so if you'd like me to do another one, drop me a comment and let me know the kind of things that you would like to see, and I'll try and do one a little bit more often. So yeah, drop me a comment, let me know what you think, anything you have to say about anything I've picked up, anything I should look out for, just say hi, whatever. Anyway guys, if you've liked this video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, it would be fantastic if you could subscribe. I've got hauls coming all the time and various unboxings and things. I have actually got coming up something that I haven't done in a while. Something that we all love. I've got a Primark haul coming soon, guys. So keep your eye out for that one. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye bye.